up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Andrew. You saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, you heard the sample from the intro. You already know what it is. Today I'm gonna show you how to make samples for 21 Savage and Drake. Samples like they used in a lot of hit songs like these. Something quite simple but hard hitting. So without further ado, let's jump into FL. The way I've started this sample is by using this piano called Natural Piano Echo from Expand. I have laid down this pattern in the scale of E minor, having the E on the bass and this simple melody playing on top. This is how the main melody sounds. For effects, I've added an EQ cutting the low end. After that, I rendered the melody out and then added another EQ because the melody had a lot of low end build-up, and this Valhalla vintage verb for a bit of reverb. Next thing I've added was this pad. Actually, it's a one-shot pad I found in some random kit. So basically what I've done is copy this melody and paste it here. Raise it up one octave, and this is the pad we got. For effects on the pad, I have this shaper box with the sidechain preset on, this Valhalla vintage verb, and this EQ cutting the low end. Next thing I've added was another one-shot pad. Basically, I've used this pad more like an accent than a pad. This is how it sounds. For effects, we have an EQ cutting some low end, this Valhalla vintage verb with 50% mix, and again a shaper box with the sidechain preset on. Next sound I've added was this vinyl scratch. This is so I can give the melody that old vibe that we're looking for in this type of samples. Next sound I've added was this accent. For effects, we have an Echo Boy with this preset on. And to complete this Memphis sounding sample, I had to add the vocal chops. This is how it sounds. After finishing the sample, I had to render it out, and this is what we got so far. And as you can see, the melody is very simple. The most important part of the sample is obviously the piano. Once you lay down a really nice and bouncy piano, you're good to go. You're basically done. Now let's quickly go over the drums. I'm gonna show you some simple drums you can use. Again, don't overcomplicate it. Leave a lot of room for the artist. Make it spacious. So yeah, let me show you how I did the drums. First, I've started with this 808. The 808 is basically the Luger 808, just boosted 12% and lowered the volume. Next thing I've added was the kick. The kick is the classic rack kick. This is how it sounds. I've added this snare, these counter snares, next I've added this fairly simple hi-hat pattern. And the last thing I've added was this open hat that bounces quite much. The last thing I've added was this riser. It's basically an impact, but I reversed it. It sounds good, so I'll keep it. And yeah, there you have it. This is how to make a 21 Savage and Drake type beat, the Memphis kind, the one with vocal chops. Stick to these rules I just showed you. Make it simple, don't overcomplicate it, use just a few sounds. Make a hard bouncy piano pattern and you're basically done. Don't complicate the drums. Use simple drums, leave a lot of room for artists. Thank you guys for watching once again. It's your boy Andrew. Leave a like, a sub, comment, and a share. Whatever you like, it will help me a lot if you support me like that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Andrew, please shut the fuck up.